Subscribe my channel Budget Travel Guru and press the bell icon to see the latest videos on secret tips and tricks on traveling. Namaskar, today we will go to Vedic Village to celebrate my wife's birthday. We will have our breakfast, lunch and evening snacks in Vedic Village. We will do some activities like swimming at the aqua pool table and foosball. We will roam the Vedic Village complex thoroughly. I will show you the night view of Vedic Village also, and lastly, as you all know, Vedic Village is excellent place for day outing but very expensive at the same time. But I will tell you the secret tips and tricks to avail all these 3 courses meals and activities in budget. Now I am entering my car and watch the video till end and experience how Vedic Village is. Now I am starting my car. I am with my full family. She is my daughter and you can see that my son is disturbing her. Let's start the car and see you after reaching the Vedic Village. Thank you. We have reached the Vedic Village. This is the entry gate of Vedic Village. The gate is very beautiful. Let's take entry and proceed towards the reception. This is Yagna, the restaurant inside the Vedic Village. We will have our breakfast here. In the breakfast we have cookies, cakes, tea, coffee, french fries and sandwiches. This is the beautiful swimming pool of Vedic Village. There are tables and chairs beside swimming pool where you can have a drink. Also there are very neat and clean changing rooms for both ladies and gents. In Vedic Village there are different types of room categories like mud room, duplex, normal room, etc. Again we are entering Yagna for lunch. In lunch there are many items like 2 types of chicken soup, steamed rice, dal makhani, fish amritsari, chicken masala, butter naan, 2 types of salad and lastly ice cream and baked mihidana. And above all, I must say that the quality and taste of the food was excellent. Vedic Village Authority will provide you car free of cost to roam inside the Vedic Village. You can see that there are different structures of buildings named Boat Villa, Aqua Villa, etc. There is also a temple inside the complex. Our driver has shown us everything and dropped us in front of the gate of Eden for indoor activities. You can see we are entering the Eden in Vedic Village. All the indoor activities like pool, foosball, bowling are done here. Now it is time for evening snacks. You can see the lights inside Yagna are now brighter. In evening snacks there are pastries, cookies, tea and coffee. Our full day tour and activities end here. We will leave after few minutes. We have done swimming, foosball, played pool, roamed full Vedic Village, got fantastic breakfast, lunch and evening snacks, everything. Now I will tell you the secret tips. Actual cost for full day activities and 3 meals is rupees 1599 for one person. For 2 people it is rupees 3198, but I bought the vouchers from nearby.com, whose link I have given in the description. So for 2 persons you have to pay rupees 1998. But there is another trick. Sometimes Nearby gives rupees 350 cashback on purchases above rupees 1200, so you may avail the offer at rupees 1648 for 2 people, which is very cheap according to the facilities you have availed. That's all for today. Namaste. Travel कीजिए, खुश रहिए.